haymakers, and DIYers. Whether you're building furniture, crafting joinery, or just love a clean finish, today we're diving into 12 woodworking finishing tools that'll take your projects from good to jaw-dropping. Let's get started. Number 1. If you've ever tried marking consistent lines across multiple boards or struggled to measure thickness cleanly, this 8-inch scriber gauge might quietly become your favorite bench tool. It's compact but surprisingly versatile, great for layout, joinery, and even internal measurements when you're working in tight spots. The CNC-machined aluminum body feels solid without being heavy, and the laser-etched markings are easy to read even under sawdust or dim shop lighting. What stands out most is how precise and repeatable it is. You set it once, and it just works. No fiddling, no second-guessing. Some versions come with a wider base, which really helps when you're scribing across large panels or sheet goods. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of tool that quietly improves your workflow. If you care about clean lines and accurate layouts, this is one of those tools that earns its spot on the pegboard.
Number 2. This small carpenter's square is only 3.5 inches, but it is very handy in the workshop. You can carry it in your pocket and use it for many different jobs. The flip stop lets you mark the same angle again and again without resetting. Along the slanted edge, there are markings from 0 to 90 degrees, so you can check or draw angles quickly. The square also has small holes spaced every 1/8 of an inch. You can place a pencil in these holes to draw straight, repeatable lines, which is useful for mortise and tenon layouts. Another feature is the setup block. The ends are cut to common sizes like 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4 of an inch. These help you set blade height, router depth, or drill press stops. Even though it is small, this square makes layout and setup much easier. Number 3. The Tool Edge Banding Trimmer is one of those tools that solves a very specific problem in woodworking: getting clean, smooth edges on banded panels. If you've ever worked with veneer, PVC, or ABS edge bands, you know how tricky it can be to trim them neatly, especially on curved or angled surfaces. This trimmer is designed exactly for that job. It handles straight runs, follows curves with control, and even has built-in chamfer grooves for rounded finishes. The stainless steel blade is thicker than most, which means it stays sharp longer and can be removed for sharpening when needed. The handle is shaped to fit comfortably in your hand, so you can apply steady pressure without fatigue during longer projects. Because the blade is fixed firmly, there's no wobble, just smooth, consistent cuts. It's not meant for solid wood or laminates, but for edge bands, it delivers reliable, professional results every time.
Number 4. Dust collection is one of those workshop details that makes a huge difference in comfort and safety. And this clear PVC pipe is designed to help with that. Each piece is 4 inches in diameter and 3 feet long, with a thin but durable wall that keeps it lightweight while still strong enough for everyday use. The clear design, with a slight blue tint, lets you actually see the airflow and spot clogs before they become a problem. That visibility is a big advantage over standard opaque hoses. Because the pipe is rigid, it works more efficiently over longer runs compared to flexible hoses, especially when paired with couplers and fittings. It's made from impact-resistant PVC, but it's not the same as heavy Schedule 40 plumbing pipe. It's purpose-built for dust collection systems. Whether you're setting up a new shop or extending an existing system, these pipes make airflow management much easier. Number 5. The Boro Workhorse sawhorses come as a set of 2. Each sawhorse is made of strong metal and can hold up to 1,350 pounds. Together, the pair can support 2,700 pounds. They are easy to set up. You pull one latch, and the legs drop into place by gravity. This makes them much faster to use than regular sawhorses. The legs form a sturdy A-frame, and when you finish your work, they fold back inside for storage. The design is compact, so you can carry them easily. There are brackets built in for 2x4 boards. This means you can connect several sawhorses together to make a larger workbench. These sawhorses are strong, portable, and reliable. They are useful for carpenters, contractors, or anyone working on wood projects. Number 6. The Dreyu table saw height gauge is a small but very useful measuring tool for woodworking. It is made from aluminum, so it is strong and light at the same time. The gauge is 1/4 of an inch thick, which allows it to stand on its own without tipping over. You can use it to set the height of a table saw blade or a router bit. The scale on the left side measures in 1/8 inch steps from 1/8 up to 1 inch. The scale on the right side measures in 1/4 inch steps from 1/8 up to 2 inches. This makes it easy to adjust cutting tools with accuracy and repeat the same settings again and again. The compact size means you can carry it easily, and there is a small hole so you can hang it when not in use. It helps keep cuts consistent and saves time in the workshop. Number 7. This small square center finder is a simple tool that helps with accurate marking and layout in woodworking. It is made from aluminum alloy, which makes it strong, rust-resistant, and light to carry. The surface is CNC machined, so the edges and markings are precise. On each side, you will find both inch and millimeter scales, which are easy to read and do not fade. The tool comes with 2 stainless steel pins of different lengths. These pins let you quickly find the center of a board edge, which is useful when drilling or laying out joinery. Because it is small, you can keep it in your pocket or use it in tight spaces, like corners of boxes or small panels. It also works well for checking if edges are square, setting chisels and guides, or inspecting blades before cutting. It is a handy tool for both woodworkers and machinists. Number 8. This combination tool is designed to handle 2 common workshop jobs: setting nails and marking drill points. Instead of using a hammer, it works with a spring-loaded action. You simply press the tool, and it delivers a controlled strike with up to 3,500 pounds of force. That makes it accurate, easy to use, and perfect in tight spaces where swinging a hammer would be awkward. On one end, the 2 nail set finishes nails and brads cleanly without damaging trim or wood surfaces. On the other end, the center punch marks metal, wood, or other materials, so your drill bit starts exactly where you want it. The punch is heat-treated, so it stays sharp and does not dull quickly. Because it is hammerless, you get precision without extra tools, and it is safer for delicate work. It's a compact, reliable solution for everyday woodworking and metalworking tasks. Number 9. The Chicago Pneumatic CP875 is a compact air angle die grinder designed for grinding, polishing, and finishing work. It runs on a 1/4 inch collet with a motor that delivers 0.3 horsepower or about 220 watts. The tool can reach speeds up to 22,500 revolutions per minute, which makes it fast and efficient for shaping or smoothing surfaces. The 90-degree angle head is lightweight and easy to hold, so you can work in tight spaces without strain. A built-in safety throttle lever prevents accidental starts, giving extra protection during use. The rear exhaust helps keep dust and debris away from the operator, while the aluminum housing adds durability for long service life. This grinder is often used in automotive repair, metalworking, woodworking, and even polishing stainless steel. It is a versatile tool that combines speed, control, and safety in a compact design. Number 10. The Horisty clamp connector is a small accessory that makes clamping jobs easier and more accurate. It attaches to most F-clamps and quick grip clamps that use 6mm by 18mm bars. Once connected, it instantly extends the reach of your clamp, which is helpful when working on larger panels or frames. A built-in bubble level is included, so you can keep joints perfectly horizontal during glue-ups or assembly. This is especially useful for drawers, shelves, and cabinet work where alignment matters. The connector also holds panels square at 90 degrees, preventing shifting and saving time on rework. It is made from reinforced ABS plastic with metal hardware, giving it strength and durability for repeated use. Woodworkers, carpenters, and hobbyists can use it for box making, frame building, or shelf installation. It is a versatile tool that adds precision and stability to everyday clamping tasks in the workshop. Number 11. The Craig Pocket Hole Jig 520 PRO is a versatile tool for building furniture, frames, and other woodworking projects. It works with materials from 1/2 inch up to 1 1/2 inches thick, making it useful for a wide range of DIY and carpentry tasks. One of its key features is GripMax technology, which provides a non-slip clamping surface. This keeps your workpiece steady while you drill, so you get clean and accurate pocket holes without worrying about movement. The VersaGrip handle rotates a full 360 degrees, allowing you to position the jig comfortably at different angles or in tight spaces. The body is made from impact-resistant polymer with a steel frame, so it can handle repeated use in demanding projects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this jig makes joinery faster, easier, and more reliable, helping you create strong connections with less effort. Number 11. The MatchFit Dovetail Hardware Variety Pack is designed to make custom jigs and fixtures easy to build in any woodworking shop. By routing a simple dovetail groove, you can slide and lock the hardware wherever you need it, creating fences, stops, or hold-downs that adapt to your project. This updated pack includes longer 2-inch track screws, which give extra reach for thicker stock or hard-to-clamp areas. The set comes with 8 pieces in total. Track screws in 1, 1.5, and 2-inch lengths, paired with wing knobs, round knobs, washers, and threaded track nuts. All parts are molded from reinforced resin, so they are durable and reliable for repeated use. The system works with the standard 1/2-inch, 14-degree dovetail router bit profile, making it fully compatible with other MatchFit clamps and accessories. It's a flexible kit that lets woodworkers design their own work-holding solutions with precision and creativity.